Recommend highlight features and reviews that people are talking of. Wlretmci Cordless Pressure Washer. 5600 mAh 200 watts max 435 psi portable power washer cleaner battery powered high pressure car wash watering device for washing cars, watering flowers, cleaning floors. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Wlretmci portable cordless pressure washer can provide max 435 psi working pressure with max 0.5 MPa water intake pressure and the flow rate is 240 liters per hour. With such powerful feature, the water can be pressed to a distance of 5 meters within 8 seconds. Quickly clean outdoor home surfaces, garden furniture, cars, stairs, and pool dirt. Wlretmci portable high-pressure washer equipped a 5600 mAh battery which can support the pressure washer keep working for 40 minutes. Cordless, lightweight and compact design can travel anywhere. Portable power cleaner lets you easily and quickly clean all your outdoor spaces and gear. This electric pressure washer has 3 different nozzle patterns, 0 degrees, 40 degrees, and foam pot. Multiple spray nozzle let you convert among various degrees of water stream intensity, which will save a lot of water. In addition, we also provide a foam pot which can be used for daily cleaning. Fast foaming, fine and uniform foam, easy to wash the car. An ideal high-pressure washer for removing stubborn dirt from outdoor household surfaces, gates, benches, garden furniture and equipment, bicycles, motorbikes, cars, steps and swimming pools. If there is no water from the washer, please connect the water connector tightly, then press the power button after connecting the tap water to exhaust the air in the body. And then you can continue to use it. Compared with traditional battery pressure washer, Wlretmci cordless pressure washers are lighter with only 4.8 pounds. It comes with a 16.4 feet hose with filter. You can easily get water from the lake, swimming pool, pier, bucket, or tap. So it is the most ideal portable power cleaner for outdoor cleaning or washing. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.